Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I am going to show you how to zoom in on a person or an object. And it's a very commonly used technique. Let's get right to it. The first step here is you'll see that I have some footage here of two ladies talking. And what I want to do is I want to zoom in on one of their faces. This is very popular in all types of cinema, and a lot of these TikTok videos and stuff like that have zoom ins like this. So let's just get going. So I've got some video and I've dragged it, dropped it into the timeline as you can see here. The next step is you want to now go to your Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, make sure there's a check mark beside Effect Controls. Next, you want to go to this Scale option, but before we hit Scale, you actually want to go to Anchor Point. And here's what it is. Right now, I've got the anchor point set to this lady's face. When you hover over this, I guess you'd call it a target looking type thing or a reticule, you'll see that you get a anchor point with 4 arrows around it. This basically means that we can move the anchor point so that when we zoom in, we're going to zoom in around that target. So let's say for demonstration purposes, we're looking to zoom in on this lady on the right. We're going to zoom into her over time. So let's move the playhead to 0. And we're going to set the scale now. We are going to left click on the animation and we're going to leave it at 100%. Let's say after 3 seconds, or 4 seconds maybe. What do you think? 4 seconds? Yeah, 4 seconds. We zoom in close on her and less on the lady on the right, on the left, pardon me. So what we'll do is now that we've clicked the stopwatch, we're going to go ahead and zoom in. And let's go to like 170, so it's a very tight zoom. Now, we've created keyframes, and you'll see them here. The left keyframe, this one here is at the beginning, and this one here is after 4 seconds. Let's see what the zoom looks like. I'm going to zip back to the beginning, and then I'm going to hit spacebar. It might be in RAM preview, so it'll be a little slow, but just bear with me. So, there we go. After 4 seconds, we zoomed right in on her face, and then it just stayed there. That is how you do a zoom inside Adobe Premiere Pro. There are other things you can do with the zooms, including moving zoom, so you can go from one face to the other face and back. I'll make a video on that, but that's all you need to know for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Be back soon.